All right, folks, let's get ready to make the easiest wings ever on earth. Smoky and crispy. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? You see what time it is? It's time to do some wings. Now, we're going to do some party wings. And you're going to be like, what you talking about, man? Them whole wings. So we're going to go ahead and cut these up, do party wings. These are going to be the simplest wings ever. We're going to call them salt and sugar crispy wings on the smoker. So let's get on outside and do it. That's first though, let's go ahead and get these cut up. We're gonna let them soak in some vinegar and go from there. All right, folks, get yourself some kitchen shears to make life easy, or you can get a good chef knife and that'll take care of everything for you. Right down that joint. So that's why I like the kitchen shears, just in case you're not perfect with finding the joint. Party wings. All right, got that done. All right, folks, we got our party wings done up, nice and juicy, nice big old wings. I like my wings, I like the jumbo wings, so that's why I buy them whole, so I can go ahead and cut them up myself, instead of hoping for the best in a bag of wings. I do that sometimes too, but yeah, go ahead and do about a cup of vinegar in there. We're gonna get them tenderized and get them clean. And then cover them with water, and I'm gonna let this rock out. Let's just sit up in here for about a good hour, and then I'm gonna go ahead and dry them off, get them seasoned, and we gonna get to cooking. Oh yeah, they have finished brining. Go ahead and get these nice and dry, and put the seasoning on them. All right, I got just 1 tablespoon of kosher salt and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And I got 2 tablespoons of baking powder. And let's get some avocado oil or whatever kind of oil you got, vegetable oil, olive oil, and get it all mixed in together to get ready to go on that smoker. It is gonna be so crispy, smoky, crispy, and delicious. Now how simple is that, y'all? We ain't making nothing hard. We ain't gonna make it hard. And of course, we probably throw some barbecue sauce on them, you know what I'm saying? I might just eat them plain, because I do like naked wings, just like they are. All right, go fire up the smoker, let it sit for a while, and that's it. Good afternoon, good afternoon. We are outside. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. So I guess we're going meat side down first. I ain't paying attention, y'all. I'm just putting it on here. Tell you what, they looking official. I'm gonna be tearing these up. All right, y'all. Let's let it do its thing. We'll be back a half an hour because I got it pretty hot. Y'all see these flames going? I got some post oak wood this time. I chopped it up myself. I did a decent job. Bought some splits, and then I said, I'm gonna cut them up so I can go in my smoker. All right, let's get it on up in now. 1 piece should do for these wings. Y'all know what time it is. 30 minutes, and it's time for a flippity flip. I like the way that looks. Yes. Ooh, I'm burning my hand. It sure is hot. One more. All right. All right, let's give it about another 30 minutes and see where we at. Let's do this. Let's let this side get some of that color. Let's give it, I'm gonna give it about 40 minutes. See what we looking like. All right, be back. All right, 30 minutes in again. So let's see what we looking like. Yeah, these can come off. So next time y'all see me, we gonna be inside getting it on. Ooh-wee. They are done, baby. They are done. Let me just lay one out to the side. Just taste it raw. Let's see what it tastes like. But for the rest of them, we gonna go ahead and sauce them up. See, this is how they looking already. We going old school. Open pit. This was my barbecue sauce that we had when I was growing up as a kid. There was no KC Masterpiece. Not even Sweet Baby Ray at that time. It was open pit and Kraft. Those barbecue sauces. That was about it. Now you got all kind of barbecue sauces. A little more. Make it saucy. Sweet and sugar. Barbecue wings. Can I get a bowl of wings? Can I get a bowl of wings? Ooh, wee. Mmm. Mmm. Let me let them cool down. I think they're cool enough. Well, let's go ahead and test out our naked wing. See what we got. See, by just putting salt and sugar only on here, that smoke and penetrated just right. Look, we got the smoke ring. Oh man, crunchy, juicy. I can actually just eat them like this plain, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna be good with the sauce on it. So I'm gonna let it cool down just a little more. All right, we'll let it cool off. See what we got. Oh my God. See, it came off tender like that, y'all. I cooked these at 200 degrees. That's killing, y'all. That's killing. Make yourself a bowl of wings, baby. Smoke, salt, and sugar. Wings with barbecue sauce of your choice. Y'all saw how easy that was. Super easy, super simple. You ain't hardly gotta do nothing. Just wake up, boom, bam, and you done. Then get on outside. It's nice now. Spring, summer is right around the corner. All right, y'all. Let me grab me a seat. And, I'll catch y'all on the next video. I'm about to get my eat on.